Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. A seventh bullish white soldier on Friday and a continuing follow-on higher to early last week's two-day bullish descending hawk pattern. Prices ran up, making a new all-time high and pierced the significant 50% projected Fibonacci line at 72.15, but failed to close over it. Prices also made a new all-time high close as well. All this has been in the shadow of September's outside month pattern. There is now also one developing pattern which may quite possibly add to the strategic implications of the market. We have a possible bow tie formation, made up from the short moving average, currently 70.72, the short medium moving average, currently 70.80, and the medium moving average, currently 70.56. The crossover was made on the 28th of September. Thus, we may see a move in the direction of the outgoing moving averages, which overall are pointing higher, some 15 to 20 sessions afterwards. That is between the 19th and the 26th of October. So basically from tomorrow onwards. Now please note this bow tie, like many of them, is not perfect. So far today, well, a lower open. Enough that we may have today day 2 in a 2-day bearish separating lines pattern. It is early yet, but this may be on the cards. German DAX futures. A fifth bullish white soldier on Friday, and the first close over the optimized late August to date downtrend, currently at 15.529. However, the top of the market was capped somewhat emphatically by the combined flatlining short medium moving average, currently at 15.596, and the flatlining medium moving average, currently 15.593. On top of those, we have the 50% projected Fibonacci line just above at 15.629. Meanwhile below, well, we really don't have that much support until the lesser Fibonacci level at 15.389. And possibly the compound Gann number at 15.309. So far today, a slightly lower open and an attempt higher to hit the overhead short medium and medium moving averages, but this was seemingly easily deflected and prices have dipped back down below the broken optimized downtrend. Initially not by much, and we're looking as if it was a possible bearish harami, but the market started to accelerate a little bit now, and I've got some concerns about it actually being at least a bearish double. US E-mini S&P futures. A third bullish white soldier on Friday and a continued suitable follow-on from the previous session's bullish opening long white Mariposa and earlier bullish engulfing pattern. This time prices punched up and closed over the old lower trend line of the May to July rising wedge pattern, currently 44.37, as well as the flatlining short medium moving average, currently 44.54, but stalled ahead of the significant high in August at 44.76.5. Importantly, it was the second consecutive close over the broken September to date downtrend, currently at 43.97. Please kindly remember that all this sits in the shadow of September's monthly key reversal down. This obviously has some big strategic implications, and whilst I do not necessarily expect an immediate huge move lower, it's worth remembering that this still exists. So far today, a slightly higher open and attempt up at the significant high in August at 44.76.5. But also seemingly failing as prices have dipped back down, though interestingly not as yet below the old lower trend line. Yet today is still looking right now like a bearish dark cloud cover pattern. French CAC 40 futures. A gapping higher fourth bullish white soldier on Friday, and what looks like an attempt to break free higher from the recent possible June to October diamond top. It was a second clear close higher over the upper downtrend line, currently at 62.92, that makes up this odd looking diamond. Odd because it has a dip before a peak for the diamond, rather than the other way round. It was also a second consecutive close over the slowly rising medium moving average, currently at 66.14. The short medium moving average, currently 66.67, and a puncture without a close through the significant June high at 66.87. Up until now, I have not placed a target on the top side for this diamond, as it looked very much as if it might be a diamond top. I had placed a single potential target X below in the 62.42 area. However, given recent action, it seems prudent to consider the top side as well. Thus, an initial topside target X1 for the continuation diamond pattern would be in the 70.95 area, and a secondary target X2 would be in the 72.75 area. I will still keep the original target X below on the daily chart for now. So far today, a lower reactionary move down, filling in the previous gap and then some. Prices are now below the June high and have dipped below the short medium moving average, but not by more than that, and they have seemingly decided for now to hang around this moving average either side. Right now it's very much looking like a bearish below the stomach pattern today. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.